So today we're going to be finding the intersection point between two polar curves. Here we have on the red curve is an inner loopy limacon facing the left, and the blue curve is a circle of radius 1. We're going to start off by setting these two equations equal to each other, and then moving over the 1, dividing by -2, and finding at what values of theta does the cosine of theta equal 0, which are pi/2 and 3pi/2. Now we're going to plug these back in to make the r equal 1, make points out of them. So we have 1 comma pi/2, which is here, 1 comma 3pi/2, which is here. But then you'll also see that there's a third point where there's an intersection, and this is one that you can't find through algebra. So you have to graph these two equations to find the third point of intersection, which is 1 comma pi. For the next problem, we're going to see that we have a circle of r equals square root of 2, and then we have r squared equals 4 sine theta, but my graphing software could not graph that, so I graphed positive and negative square root of 4 sine theta, so the positive one's on the top and the negative one's on the bottom. We're going to start off by substituting r into the r squared equation. So square root of 2 squared equals 4 sine theta. Simplify that, divide by 4, and we'll find sine theta equals 1/2. And theta equals pi/6 and 5pi/6 when the sine of theta equals 1/2. Now we have to plug these two theta values back into the r squared equation, which we'll do for the first one there. We'll get r equals positive and negative square root of 2, and then we'll do it for the second theta value, which also gives us r equals positive negative square root of 2. And now we're going to create the 4 points using r equals positive square root of 2 and negative square root of 2 for both theta values. So there are all 4. But since negative square root of 2 is ugly and gross, we're going to get rid of those and make these positives. So that'll come out to be square root of 2, 7pi/6, and square root of 2, 11pi/6, which would be here and here. My name is Owen Meeker. I like to ski, play basketball, and go fishing, and I hope everybody watching this has a great summer, or whatever time of year it is.